Are you ready to take control of your cryptocurrency? Today we are diving into how to withdraw USDT from Bybit to your Telegram wallet in just a few simple steps. Whether you are a newbie or a seasoned trader, this guide will help you access your fund quickly and securely. First, log into your Bybit account. Start by accessing your Bybit account if you have not set one up yet. Make sure to do that and complete any required verification process. Navigate to the wallet section. Once logged in, head over to the Asset tab in the upper right corner and select Withdraw. This will help you to take you to the withdrawal page. Select USDT for withdrawal. In the withdrawal section and find USDT among your assets. Click on it to begin the withdrawal process. Then enter your Telegram wallet address. You will need to input your Telegram wallet address where you want to USDT sent. Make sure to double check this address to avoid any mistakes. Then specify the amount. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to withdraw. You can choose to withdraw all available funds or a specific amount. After that, choose your transaction speed. Bybit allows you to select gas fee based on how quickly you want the transaction proceed. Option typically include slow, average, and fast. Confirm your withdrawal. Review all the details carefully. Once everything looks good, click on next and you will then receive a verification code via email. Enter this code to finalize your withdrawal process. Wait for processing. Your withdrawal will be processed within 1 or 2 hours, depending on network condition and security checks. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can easily withdraw USDT from Bybit to your Telegram wallet. Remember, always double check your wallet address and amounts before confirming any transaction to ensure a smooth process. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Happy trading!